flying over there. Shit. How do I get out?
Right here.
Let me help. Watch out.
Can I come?
No. You video on. Live stream that shit. What? The truck? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Owen, do I have a fire extinguisher in here?
No.
Oh.
I'm gonna call 911.
All right.
Call 911. Siri, call 911.
Well, get my keys. Here.
There's a big fire at, Dad, what's the address?
River Neck.
River Neck Acres, the ATV park. The ground lit on fire and it's surrounding a whole bunch of trucks. And there's a four-wheeler. I don't know. I just heard you.
River Neck Acres Road. Damn, the fucking truck's on fire, bro.
The truck, like the big guy.
Jesus Christ. River
Neck.
Neck Acres Road. It's a four-wheeler park. Christ, that freaking side-by-side's on fire too. Fuck.
Okay.
Oh my god, that other truck's on fire now.
So a truck's on fire. How many trucks on fire?
I don't know. A truck and trailer? I don't know. Yeah. Well, we need the fire department here fast. Oh, shit. Owen, get back.
You need to send it quickly. It's about to blow. Okay, thank you. We need to get farther back, Dad. Get the four-wheelers and go.
No, Owen, we're fine, honey.
No, that's too close. It's going to explode and it's going to get us. We have to go.
Shit, dude. It's fine, Owen. It's not gonna explode.
Yes, it will. It's gas.
Buddy, trust me.
Yes, there's like...
There's like 20 people around it.
Tell them to get away from
It's
it.
okay.
Stop the
It's
blow.
okay. Yeah, they ain't gonna listen to this.
Is the fire threatening anything?
Yeah, I mean, it's someone's
Any
vehicle.
structures or buildings?
Someone's vehicle. No, just vehicles.
There's other vehicles?
Yeah. Well, someone's gonna get friggin' hurt over there, though. Jesus Christ, man. Why doesn't he move that truck?
Because it's in the fire.
Oh my God.
Alright, the fire department is
Say thank you. You're more than 100 feet. You're more than 100 feet. Stay right there. Stop! The Fuck. God. Fuck. God damn it, bro. It's about to get that gas tank. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Owen, it's fine. Come here. Owen, come here. Buddy, I would not let you be standing here if it was in danger. Okay, but it's fine, honey. Come here. It's okay. Yes, it is. Come here, I promise you. Even if it blows up, Owen. I mean, it's gonna blow up. Oh, shit. Watch, there it goes. That's the gas tank. Watch. I know they do. Oh my God, bro. Ooh. That was a tire. Why is the other four-wheeler right there? What the frig, bro? No. Hurry the fuck up. They need to move that other four-wheeler, yo. Jesus Christ, it's gonna ruin it. Look at that truck, bro. It's gone. That's from the fire spreading from the freaking thing? You still on the phone with 911? Thank you for calling, buddy. You did such a good job. Oh, that was the glass, yeah.
When's the engine gonna blow?
The engine?
Yeah.
What do you mean the engine's gone? It's the gas tank. It's about ready to go.
The gas tank?
Yeah.
It's gonna be big.
That sucks, dude. I feel so bad.
He was over here screaming fire, fire, fire. It's gonna catch the trees.
Yep. That thing spread quick, man.
I heard him yelling, fire, fire.
I can't believe they don't have freaking, whatchamacallit. It's about to get a gas tank. Look, it's going in the back. Oh, and turn your flashlight off. Listen. Listen. You might miss it. Water hose.